So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this American Standard DXV toilet. So these are special order out of Ferguson. I think there are 3 or 4, can't remember, total toilets in the home. These are high-end toilets. I'm not sure what they cost, but they're not your regular, Home Depot, Lowe's type toilets, cheap toilets. So very nice mounting, sturdy base. A little difficult to set because it's all enclosed, all the nuts that you mount to the floor, and of course tank bolts that are all concealed. So a little bit of fussiness, and then they got the dual flush up top, which is good. So everything's been installed. This is we came back for the second part of the installation. The box did not have the flush gasket, the flush valve gasket which sits between the tank and the bowl and the mounting nuts that secure it. So we ordered that American Standard, shipped it out, we got them back. So we did replace the supply line, so 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 inch stainless steel, braided stainless steel supply by Fluid Master, and so that's good. And everything looks good back here. It's hard to really monitor or anything because it's all concealed, but shutoff valve looks like it's dry, no weeping there. It's a Uponor shutoff valve, and that's Uponor piping stubbed out of the wall. So would have liked to see quarter turn there, but it's a multi-turn valve, so anyways, it's in good shape right now. So we flushed it, everything's working. It's filling correctly, shutting down correctly, flushing correctly. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.